Hello and welcome to our new video. Today we're diving deep into a comprehensive review of Elementor, hailed as the best WordPress page builder in 2024. The link to Elementor is in the description. One of the standout features of Elementor is its unparalleled ease of use. From the moment you install the plugin, you're greeted with an intuitive interface that makes website building a breeze. The drag and drop functionality allows you to create visually stunning layouts without any coding knowledge, while the real-time editing experience lets you see your changes instantly. Elementor is packed with a plethora of features designed to take your website to the next level. From basic elements like text, images, and buttons to advanced widgets like sliders and carousels, Elementor gives you everything you need to create a professional-looking website. Plus, with the theme builder and pop-up builder, you have full control over every aspect of your site's design. One of the highlights of Elementor is its extensive library of professionally designed templates. Whether you're building a blog, an e-commerce site, or a portfolio, you'll find a template that fits your needs perfectly. These templates are fully customizable, allowing you to create a unique and personalized website in minutes. Elementor boasts a vibrant and active community of users who are always willing to help. Whether you're looking for advice, troubleshooting tips, or just some inspiration, you'll find plenty of support from fellow Elementor enthusiasts. Elementor offers flexible pricing plans to suit every budget. The free version of Elementor is a powerful tool on its own, while the Pro version unlocks additional features and functionality. With plans starting at just $59 per year for one site, Elementor Pro is an affordable option for freelancers, agencies, and businesses looking to elevate their website design. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.